some models of how e-business works. These are just very broad categories, and sometimes the definition isn't black and white. First, we have business to business. We commonly see this when organizations or businesses are supplying each other with certain products or services. A very, very famous model is the one done by all the auto manufacturers in the United States. They got together and decided, look, yes, we're competing against each other, but the same people that make radio buttons and seat covers for me are the same ones that make it for you. So why don't we open up an exchange, kind of a global marketplace for auto manufacturing widgets and the automobile manufacturers themselves. As a result, prices have gone down across the board for all vehicles because they're realizing they're finding the optimal parts when they need it. Of course, the traditional e-business model is the business to consumer. This is your Amazon.com or Martha Stewart Living or whatever number of sites that you can think about that you would browse. Very based on the catalog market, really, but on a web page version. We also see the business to employee. This is a fascinating area. It's usually part of an intranet, but it's also where employees can go and purchase different types of services from their employer, whether it's healthcare, gym memberships, you name it. Interestingly enough, this is a revenue stream for businesses because they allow their employees to choose the best service possible as opposed to dictating a one-size-fits-all solution. Of course, business to government has become a growth industry because the government is trying to reduce its paperwork and its overhead. The simple fact of the matter is there's so many regulations limiting and constricting and dictating how government has to purchase the methods and procedures. By simply automating this process, we have saved the government millions of dollars. It's kind of good to know.